You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names, more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from. Hypostasis, English pronunciation, the accumulation of fluid or blood in the lower parts of the body, also used in philosophy and religion. Hypostasis, the underlying fundamental state or substance that supports all of reality. Hypostasis, also hypostasis, depending on the word. Hypostasis or hypostasis, hypostasis as well. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.